We'll guide you through how to add an image in HTML using VS Code. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. We're now handing over to Pauser, who's going to continue with the guide.
If you already have your HTML code set up, you can simply follow along and skip ahead to the image section. For this tutorial, I will be starting completely from scratch so that beginners can easily follow each step. Now first, just go ahead and open VS Code, and to keep things organized, create a new folder for your project. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go to File at the top left and click on Open Folder and navigate to the folder where I want to store my files. So let's say I want to add it here. I'm just gonna go ahead and create a new folder by clicking on New Folder and name it something like Add Image, and hit enter, and then hit enter once again to go inside the folder and choose to select folder. And now your folder will open inside VS Code. Just click on yes, I trust the authors, and now you will see at the top left a new file icon. Just go ahead and click on that. So just go ahead and create a new file. So I'm just gonna name it something like index.html and hit enter. And now here just go ahead and type a exclamation mark and hit enter to generate the basic HTML structure. Now let's add a clean heading to your page. So I'm just gonna go ahead and type my heading, and now you can see I have successfully added my heading. So now just go to the extensions tab at the left hand side and just go ahead and click on that, and in the search bar just go ahead and search for live server and hit enter. And now just click on the live server and make sure you install this particular live server, and after installing just go ahead and right click on it and you will get the option to open with live server. Just go ahead and click on that, and now your browser will open and you will see this is the heading that we added. Now let's add image. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and go to VS Code, and then after the heading I'm just gonna hit enter once and then use the image tag. So I'm just gonna type angular bracket img and space src equals. After that just go ahead and open your file explorer and navigate to the folder where you have your image. So in my case, let's say I want to add this particular image, so I'll just click on it and press Ctrl C to copy and navigate to the folder where I have my project, which in my case it's going to be here and it is this particular folder. So just go inside the folder and press Ctrl V to paste it here. Now once pasted, just go to your VS Code, and now when I go to my explorer you will see a logo png, which is the name of the image that we added. So just go ahead and type this particular name exactly inside the double quotation. So I'm just gonna go ahead and type logo.png, and once that you have done that, you can just right click and choose to open with live server, and you will see we have successfully added our image. So now you can even resize the image. So just go to your VS Code ng, give a space and add width. So just type width equals, and then in a double quotation add your width. So in my case, let's say I want to go with like 600, so I'll just type 600. So now I'm just gonna right click and choose to open with live server, and you will see we have successfully changed our size also.